Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the latest in beauty and personal care products. Today, we're diving into the world of nail art with what we believe are the best nail stickers currently on the market. These nail stickers aren't just any ordinary ones. They're the best at nail stickers that promise to elevate your nail game effortlessly. Let's get right into it. First off, let's talk about what makes these nail stickers stand out. They come in a variety of designs, from chic minimalist patterns to bold and vibrant artworks, ensuring there's something for everyone. The application process is straightforward. Simply peel, place, and seal with a top coat for a salon-quality finish at home. These stickers are made with high-quality materials that adhere smoothly to your nails without any fuss. What I love about them is their durability. Once applied correctly, they stay put for days without chipping, making them perfect for any occasion, whether it's a special event or everyday wear. Let's talk design variety. Whether you prefer classic French tips, playful florals, or trendy geometric patterns, the best at nail stickers have got you covered. You can mix and match designs to create unique nail art combinations that suit your style and mood. Now, let's delve into the user experience. Many beauty enthusiasts and influencers have praised these stickers for their ease of use and professional-looking results. They're a favorite among those who enjoy experimenting with nail art but don't have the time to visit a salon regularly. Before we wrap up, here are some pro tips for maximizing your experience with these nail stickers. Always ensure your nails are clean and dry before application. Use a gentle top coat to seal the stickers and extend their wear. When it's time to remove them, a bit of nail polish remover does the trick without damaging your nails. To sum it up, the best at nail stickers are a game changer for anyone looking to effortlessly enhance their nails with stylish designs. With their easy application, durability, and wide range of options, they've earned their spot as a must-have in any nail art enthusiast's collection. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you've tried these nail stickers or have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews on the latest beauty and personal care products. Until next time, keep rocking those fabulous nails.